What if your phone wasn't just a phone? What if it could transform into a PC-like device, transform into a tablet, then back again in seconds? This is the Huawei Mate X-T. It's the world's first triple folding phone, and it does exactly that. Now, it's incredible how versatile and useful this device is and the tech that Huawei had to develop to make it and its sister device, the Mate X6, happen. It is no joke when I say that Huawei Mate X-T genuinely has me excited about tech again. It may not look like it, but Huawei Mate X-T is the thinnest foldable in the world when it is fully open. At just 3.6 millimeters thick in tablet mode, it's even thinner than purpose-built tablets on the market today. Huawei could have made it even thinner, but the physical size of the Type-C port is the final limiting factor here. It's mind-boggling how much technology they've managed to stuff in such a thin design. Fully closed up, the Huawei Mate X-T is handier than it looks. In phone mode, it's not that much thicker than a cased foldable like the Galaxy Z Fold 6 or even a current generation iPhone. Undeniably, there is a very compelling reason for a triple folding phone like the Huawei Mate X-T to exist. The ability to seamlessly transition between form factors, a smartphone, a tablet, and even a productivity powerhouse when paired with a keyboard is truly transformative. Imagine enjoying a cinematic experience on the expansive 10.2-inch high-res Huawei X-True display in tablet mode, effortlessly multitasking with dual screens, and then conveniently folding it down to pocket size when you need to. This versatility significantly enhances productivity and streamlines workflow. Making that gigantic screen had its fair share of difficulties because Huawei technically had to make the screen do two things: resist a pushing force when the screen is folded inward, and resist a pulling force when it is being folded outward. And since you can't put a traditional screen protector on the cover display when the phone is completely folded, they also had to make a new kind of glass protection that could bend with the panel. And make it they did. The Huawei Mate X-T utilizes a new UTG glass protector with a non-Newtonian fluid for 30% improved impact resistance over the previous generation of foldables. Huawei has put its engineering and manufacturing prowess on display here. The phone's so precisely made that you can suspend it in mid-air using nothing but a single sheet of paper, all thanks to the advanced precision hinge system. Despite sporting the biggest folding display on consumer product to date, the Mate X-T is surprisingly strong. 100% of its core components are made with ultra-high strength steel, and its hinges are strong enough to withstand repeated openings and closings without exhibiting wear. And if that wasn't enough, Huawei managed to stuff in a 5600 mAh battery inside of the phone, split into 3 parts, with each battery segment measuring just 1.9 millimeters thick. Initially, I was a little hesitant about using a phone without a screen protector like the Huawei Mate X-T. However, after surviving an accidental encounter with coins and keys in my pocket, oops, sorry Huawei, I'm convinced of its durability. Now, Huawei claims that the Mate X-T is one of the toughest foldables out there in terms of durability and shock resistance. I'm not really gonna drop this phone on the floor to test that. I'm gonna take Huawei's word for that one. The triple screen of the Huawei Mate X-T allows you to do a bunch of cool things. Now, let's get the obvious out of the way first. Fully opening the phone lets you a tablet-like experience thanks to the huge 10.2-inch flexible LTPO OLED panel. Now, this configuration is best for playing videos in YouTube or enjoying streaming services like Netflix. In dual screen mode, it excels at multitasking, allowing users to easily read documents, browse the web, and even pair it with an external keyboard for on-the-go productivity. Now, when folded, it seamlessly transitions into a compact smartphone, offering a convenient and familiar user experience. Huawei has spared no expense when it comes to the cameras that are on the Mate X-T. The triple cameras are as good as you'd expect from a top-tier foldable like this, thanks to the 50-megapixel main camera and the 12-megapixel periscope, telephoto, and ultrawide snappers. Now, the main camera has Huawei's Ultra Aperture X-Mage tech, which essentially means that the main shooter uses 10-size, adjustable, physical aperture that's similar to the one on the Huawei Pura 70 series. The Huawei Mate X-T is an engineering masterpiece, but if you crave that Huawei craftsmanship in a more traditional foldable, the Mate X6 might be a better fit. Now, it shares the same meticulous attention to detail that Huawei has for this triple foldable, but prioritizes durability. This rugged beast boasts a drop-resistant chassis and an inner screen so tough it can hold up to a 150-kilo motorcycle, though we don't recommend testing that. There's also the 12-megapixel 5.5x periscope telephoto lens and the 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. Short story here is, despite being a crazy futuristic product, the Mate XT doesn't scrimp out on image quality that we've seen on other foldables. So the Huawei Mate XT is also a flagship performer. It can keep up with you no matter what you're doing, whether it's just regular app use, gaming, or productivity. You get access to thousands of apps via App Gallery, and you can easily use Google Apps on the phone without any hiccups. And just like Huawei's other phones, you're able to enjoy fast charging speeds via Huawei Supercharge in both wired and wireless mode. Now, the Huawei Mate XT is one of the wildest foldables that I've used in a while, and I mean that in a really good way. Its truly innovative triple folding display gives you a lot of flexibility on how you want to use it. Unfold it completely and you get a vibrant 10.2-inch tablet. Fold it once and you have a powerful dual screen device for multitasking and increased productivity. And when you need to be on the go, simply fold it down into a compact smartphone that easily slips into your pocket. I've never been excited about a foldable like the Huawei Mate XT before, and honestly, if you think about all the work that had to be put in to make this happen, it's mind-boggling and basically just makes this thing an engineering masterpiece. Now, if you're as excited as me and you want to see this thing, this triple foldable in the flesh, they'll be coming to Philippine shores this March. Huawei wants you to be fully protected when you buy the Huawei Mate XT, and they're offering a bunch of after-sales freebies for this device when you buy it. We're putting all of them up here on the screen for you to read because there's really a lot. That's pretty much it for this video for me. My name is Zon. Peace out. See you in the next video.